Hello friends, in my last video we completed the videos on prompting for different kinds of balance sheet analysis. On the screen whatever you see is the different use cases which we have completed so far. The tick marked ones are the completed and the green color shade is the present topic. In this video we will see um, in this and a couple of videos we will see how to prompt for a good quality analysis on the profit and loss statement. So directly I take you through the prompting. It's going to be a very basic prompting asking to analyze a statement. Say if you don't know anything about the financial statement analysis or the jargons, we could do something like this. Let me pick up a new chat. I'm going to attach a P&L statement. Hi, analyze the analyze the attached P&L statement and share your inferences. Avoid I am a long-term investor. You need to set your persona, like who are you, what is your knowledge background, etc. Long-term investor with very little knowledge on financial statements. Hence, please avoid jargons and use simple terms. So I don't expect it to give a very complex or a highly number heavy analysis. But let us see. Cool. So first it talks about income. It compares the 2 years income and it says between 23 and 24 it is almost 2.4 times, which is a strong sign of growth. So it is trying you to give the inferences from the numbers as well. Then other income, there's a significant jump from 40 crores to 80 crores. Let me make it a little bit bigger, please. Then when it talks about expenses, what are the number from different expenses and how much it has increased from the previous year. So profits. So what are the profits for each year? Cool. It is a 3x jump in profit. Tax. Here you have a small flag. You need to understand like they didn't pay any current year income tax. Instead, they recorded as deferred tax. This may be due to previous year losses or tax savings. This is something which you need to investigate more. Net income, final profit after taxes and other small adjustments. Previous close, 220% increase in the net income. Earning per share also, it has almost tripled. So for every heading, it gives you the interpretation of what takeaway for the investors. So key takeaways, like it's not talking about any numbers, it just talks about growth. It is very sharp, profitable, costs are rising because the revenue is growing, the cost is also growing. Financial health and investor returns. Simple this thing, verdict, Gensol has an excellent year in 2024. But now here I want to give you a very strong caution. Gensol is having a couple of corporate governance issues and the news is around the media and it has crashed almost 85% from its peak. It is said that numbers have been cooked. The numbers, whatever is there in the financial statements, have been cooked. So, which I'm not going to deal in detail in this video, which is not in scope. But however, what I want to emphasize two lessons is one, the model gives you the model, whatever I saw you, it gives you based on whatever information it has been uploaded. It doesn't know anything beyond what is happening in the current scenario. So, it says it's a good investment, but it is not aware of the corporate governance issues. Second, never go by only one kind of analysis. So this is a very, very basic P&L statement. I have not picked up the balance sheet. I have not picked up the cash flow analysis, all that. It is just a simple P&L statement analysis which I have done. Based on this alone, never ever go for a investment decision. The company, what the model says as excellent is based on the P&L which we uploaded just now. but that is not the reality now. I'm sure you can see the news. There's a lot of issues. So be very, very careful when you use GenAI for investing purposes. We'll catch up soon in the next video with the more structured prompting doing common size P&L statement.